Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Market Misfits and happy New Year's Eve. We're going to be taking a look at XRP, actually, but we are going to look at Bitcoin, but there's more XRP ETF speculation coming around. So this time it's coming from Crypto Basic. We'll go over this article real fast, and then we'll check out the markets and take a look at the chart and see what's happening. But XRP ETF may be on the cards as Grayscale sponsors XRP price display together with Bitcoin. The XRP Army has discovered an advertisement from Grayscale showcasing XRP alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum prices. Chad Steingraber, a notable member of the XRP community and a professional game designer, brought attention to this development in a recent tweet. Steingraber shared a capture of CNBC's televised crypto watch featuring the prices of three prominent cryptocurrencies. In particular, the exhibition showcased the market values of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. So they're, for those of y'all that don't know, they're actively pursuing, and we're going to see some of that in this article. But Grayscale's already all over Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we'll get down to the ad here in a second, or the listing, whatever it was, on CNBC. Meanwhile, the display was a sponsored spotlight by the world's largest cryptocurrency asset manager, Grayscale. Grayscale's choice to sponsor a display of XRP prices alongside the leading cryptocurrencies reignited speculation that the prominent asset manager could pursue an XRP exchange funded traded fund ETF. So another one of the reasons why this would make sense, other than its functionality, is that it's already been through the ringer with the SEC. So none of these other cryptos have. Ethereum has not. Bitcoin doesn't look like it's going to need to. XRP, is heading out the door. So for investors, and they're going to talk about this a little bit here as we continue, but as for institutional investors to this scale, no pun intended, Grayscale, that they need very clear not regulation, but clearance. There can't be any doubt. So tell me with a straight face that Grayscale isn't about to reboot their XRP ETF funds, Steinberger remarked. So here we go, right here. There's the picture. So it was on CNBC. So why Grayscale XRP ETF is likely. Remember that Grayscale previously included XRP in its XRP Trust and GDLC products. However, in 2021, Grayscale removed XRP from its digital large cap fund, a move that followed the SEC's assertion that XRP constituted an unregistered security. So they didn't want to be in possession of something that was illegal. I mean, that's like the last thing that you want. So concurrently, Grayscale initiated the dissolution of its standalone XRP trust in response to the SEC's lawsuit. The firm explained that the legal action made it challenging for the trust to convert XRP into dollars, particularly as several US-based exchanges had delisted XRP. So tough finding an exit when there's no doors around. So for in America. However, the new ad showcasing XRP alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum has passed a message of hope to the XRP Army. Note that Grayscale is currently pushing to convert its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC to a spot ETF. Besides, Grayscale is pursuing a similar quest to convert its Ethereum Trust into an exchange-traded fund directly investing in Ethereum. The firm reportedly submitted a revised S3 filing to the U.S. regulator when Barry Silbert, the CEO of its parent company, stepped down. Ultimately, the recent advertisement featuring XRP's price alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum has led the XRP community to speculate that Grayscale might be contemplating a move to reintroduce support for XRP. Moreover, XRP now has a clear regulatory status. And there we go. So that's basically like a green light. That's less trouble for these guys. That's another reason, one of the main reasons why. Plus its functionality, and then we have its price suppression. So there's a lot of reasons why these places would be going for an XRP ETF. Okay, status in the United States, clear regulatory status in the United States. So that's something that you cannot say about a lot of these other projects. Let's take a look here at Bitcoin. We actually had a position going up here, but it got wiped out right here. So this is looking like more along the lines of what I would be looking for. We've been looking for is to see a better spike down here, going past, if we drop actually maybe even a little bit further. People think 30's out too far out of there, but like not within the realm of possibilities. But we have support here at around 38. So bring it down here. Maybe this would be more feasible. We'll just have to wait and see. Let's take a look. But nonetheless, what we discovered with our XRP trading, with our break of structure descending wedge, that strategy we've been testing. So ever since Bitcoin, this happened right here, and we've been in this range. That's when we've had about 90% of the losses. So we're continuing on testing on that. But let's take a look. For those of you that are new, whenever Bitcoin makes a move, generally speaking, 9 times out of 10, 9.5 times out of 10, that we're going to see XRP take a dip too. Sometimes that dips a lot is a lot further down for XRP than it is for Bitcoin, and that's just with XRP. That's the whole crypto space, the whole crypto market. So when day trading, it's important, not financial advice, but when you're day trading, unless you're like just like a guru at one particular instrument, and a lot of people trade this way, you just get one instrument down, and so you're like a specialist to that instrument, but a lot of other people, including myself, will like to have different markets trading. So in this instance, if we had 4 crypto or 3 cryptos going long, but Bitcoin fell, and then the rest of those cryptos went along with it, you'd need a hedge. You want some kind of hedge. So like Forex, commodities, indices, those types of things, will help pull the weight of some losses if you're using multiple positions on different pairs in the same market, being the cryptocurrency market, because everything just kind of follows Bitcoin. But anyways, you guys, we'll get to that a little later, but just zooming out a little bit, looking at the 4-hour XRP. So we did have a descending channel right here. But so that's been 2 different times. So we heard maybe XRP ETF in China, and then now maybe, or in Hong Kong rather, China, same thing. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but pretty sure that's the exact same thing. But anyway, so now we're seeing possibility of it in Grayscale. So, who knows what will happen. So as far as looking at the charts, to me, this still looks good to go. We had this spike right here. We also had a position long on XRP when this happened, when the Bitcoin dropped, actually like right after that, and we got wiped out there. But with that being said, we're seeing lots of these on XRP. One theory is just like this wick up here took out liquidity here, but these wicks down here, it kind of looks like they're clearing, like they're just clearing house. A lot of the times, enough people get going long, and sometimes you can see the opposite happen, where someone with enough money will come through and push down and take out the liquidity and take everybody out. So it's not just retail, but hedge funds, you name it. So it's not just like a one, they're getting taken out too. So this stuff right here, maybe, and what I'm trying to get to is maybe this has to do with something that's coming up. But I wanted to bring up one thing here, like on the big picture. Let's take a look at the weekly real quick. So I want to point this out. Let's go to this other chart because it's going to show it here. But this is something that I've been looking for if things do pop off. And there was a comment on a video. We were doing XRP. We were doing an XRP like a, not like a, I guess you would say a price prediction, but not really a prediction, just like an idea, you know. But I'm looking at this right here before this. So with that being said, let's see how far we'd be looking to go down from where we are now if we saw this happen again. So let's bring this down. Let's bring this out, bring it down. Here we are right here. Bring it right down to there. Clone this. Make no mistake. Bring it over here and see where that takes us. So if we were to drop from current price right now, that would bring us down to 28 cents. And that would actually be perfect right here. Because when you're thinking, I say it like this, but if once you had enough experience, you'll see that anything is possible. All you got to do is look back sometimes in history. Okay, so this is not out of the picture. Definitely not. There's evidence right here. So when we say this, when I'm looking at this like this, I'm seeing this as like a really good potential opportunity, not like I think that it's gonna crash. Oh no, my gosh, you know, like get scared, whatever, you know, but I see this as like a possible not just good opportunity, but a best case scenario if we saw this happen and then we saw this repeat itself right here. So we had the spike and we shoot up there. Let's drag this down to fit. Just like that. We have our spike and then blast off. So again, when you're thinking a lot of times, especially when we're dealing with a coin here or a system, cryptocurrency, whatever you want to call it, XRP, this can be used by institutions, you know, being how that they're not retarded. Like, I don't think that they're going to pay 62 cents. I just don't think that they're going to. Now, the way that I could see this remaining this way when they could do this is if they already did do this and they already loaded up and they're currently loading up and the price has just been suppressed and they just release it and it's going to go. So if anything is possible, with money, people can do anything. These dynamic, Mark Douglas refers to them as dynamic traders. They can, and they had the financial and the psychological resources that it takes to drop a market to get liquid and to buy at a cheaper price and blast off. So this will put us right here if we make the dip and we're measuring down here from the bottom of the dip. It's looking like $258 XRP. Let's take a look real quick and see how long this was. I think it was a year. And you're just reflecting back on the past. Price has been suppressed one way or another, if not several different ways, since right here. Actually, it was right here. The lawsuit happened right here. So when we were on our way to repeat this, it was cut off. So if we take from here to here, and bring it here. So this would have been launch off right here. I get too messed up over here, but anyways, you kind of get it. But that's just what I'm holding in the back of my mind. So looking for, I'm not real. I mean, the charts are looking bullish, but I'm not ruling this out like one bit. So we just put a line down here, and then we put an alert on it, maybe have a buy, like a buy limit or something down here, you know, that's half off, like Black Friday sale right there. But anyways, you guys, that's going to do it for now. I wanted to cover that article. So that makes 2 of them for XRP ETFs now. In the recent, speculations, we'll see what happens, how it unfolds. Hope that you are having a good holiday, and we will see y'all on the next one. See ya.